I heard y'all president is trying to ban TikTok.
Bruh.
Is Instagram next? We don't know. So y'all better get these emails before it's too late. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the importance of using email to increase sales in your business. If you own a boutique, if you have a service business, you definitely want to watch this video and understand how and why emails are the #1 way to increase sales in your business. Hello to my feminine bosses. My name is Gabrielle Noelle and I am the HBIC around these parts. Welcome back to my channel, a place for retail, beauty, and creative entrepreneurs to turn their ideas into profitable businesses. Get your customers off social media. Today's video is going to be about the importance of getting your customers' email addresses and how it will increase your sales the more you talk to them directly through their email. So there are 4 reasons why you need to get your customers off social media, off Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and onto your email list. The #1 reason is because you do not own your social media accounts, your social media platforms. You are borrowing space. How many times has Instagram just crashed and you haven't been able to log on to see your feed, to use your DMs? You don't want to put your whole business in their hands. So make sure you're getting your customers off the platform and onto your email list. The second reason why collecting emails is so important is because it increases engagement, direct engagement to your customers. You want to be able to talk to them directly. You want to know their names. You want to know who they are besides just, their Instagram handle or their TikTok username. I just want to take a minute to shout out some people that leave comments on my videos. If you left a comment on my last video, I'm about to shout you out because I love getting comments. It lets me know that I'm not talking to myself, so I really appreciate it. So shout out to Naptoro Couture. She said, "This was amazing. Thank you. You're very welcome, sweetie. Thank you for checking me out. And hopefully you subscribed and hit the notification button." Yes. And then Crown K, hi Crown K, the MUA. She said, "Oh yes, Queen, where you been? Thank you for sharing. You are very welcome." And then there is Amir Lewis. She said, "Love it. We missed your videos. Thank you for this." You guys are so welcome. Thank you so much for leaving comments and talking back to me. You know what I mean? This is a relationship. Like, we in this together. So the more you give me feedback and leave comments, like, it makes me feel good. But it also makes me know that you guys appreciate the videos that I'm making and that you're actually watching it. So shout out to y'all. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell, because if you subscribe but you don't hit the notification bell, you still might miss videos. So make sure you hit the notification bell so you're not missing anything when it comes to your business. You definitely don't want to be lacking when it comes to tips and tricks that you could be using to make more money in your business. So make sure you hit the notification. The third reason why you want to get your customers off social media and into your email list is because when you have that direct connection with them, you are able to increase conversion, meaning you're able to get more sales. If you can talk directly to someone, call them by name, you know what they've been looking at. Perhaps they've abandoned some items in their cart, or you used a pixel and you're able to track them so you know what they've been looking at, what pages they visited. You can talk directly to them and say, "Hey, Gabrielle, see you checking out my stuff. Here's a coupon code if you buy it right now." You can't do that on social media. On social media, you're literally just posting content to a portfolio, pretty much. In emails, you can directly ask your customers to purchase, and therefore having that direct connection is what allows you to increase sales. Also, if you're interested, make sure you check out the video that I did on how to design a quick and easy email in Klaviyo. The fourth reason why it's so important to get your customers off social media and into your email marketing campaign is because We have technology now where when someone visits your site and they give you their email address, you are able to track what product pages they are checking out. You can send them an email based on what they're already interested in. Being able to do that is what increases your conversion rate. It increases your sales almost instantly. Every time I send out an email, I'm getting sales. The best part is you can start collecting emails before you even launch your business. In fact, I recommend it. So if you're thinking of working on a business idea, I would definitely set up a landing page. A lot of these email service providers, they allow you to create a landing page before you even have a website so that you are able to collect the email addresses of people that are interested in your brand and your company and your service. Check out my video on the types of emails that you must have in your email marketing campaign to get the most sales. As always, if you like any of the jewelry that I'm wearing in today's video, please visit my site, shopcocoari.com. And I just want to give a shout out to my Coco Queens. I love when y'all send me pictures of you wearing the jewelry and how you styled it. Keep them coming. Shout out to these ladies here. Yes. Follow them on Instagram, check them out, and also follow me on Instagram. You can follow my personal page, GabrielleNoelle.co, or you can follow Coco Ari, Coco_Ari on Instagram. How do you get people on your email list? Well, you need to offer some sort of incentive. It could be a discount code, very popular. I always sign up when I can get a discount code. It could also be a free gift. It could be access to new arrivals. Whatever it is, you need to give people some sort of incentive for them to give you their direct contact information. It's got to be a mutual relationship. If you're looking for help on how to create an email marketing campaign that will increase your sales 10, 20, 30%, join my Facebook group. It's a great way for you to build community with like-minded business owners, and you can ask questions about your business directly to me. I go live in the group, I answer questions, I do audits, all that good stuff. So make sure you click the link below in the description to join the Facebook group. I think one of the best ways to collect email addresses from your customers is to have a pop-up on your website. So depending on the email service provider that you use, they make it very easy to set one up. I'll show you how to do that in my next video. But for now, just check out the one that I have on my site. So after about 20 to 30 seconds when you're on my site, this will pop up and it asks you to join the Coco Club and you get 10% off. I get a lot of sales using this initial discount, and it's a great incentive to get people to join my list. Once they're on my list, I continue to market to them and send them emails. The best thing about it is that Klaviyo allows you to see what products that they've been searching for and looking for on your site. So when I send them emails, I can retarget them and send them emails with the same products that they've already been looking at.